grab some salt, throw it in there. I want you to take it, right? You go salty enough, right? Now go ahead and cook your pasta. However you cook it, cook it. You look at your butter, right? It's cooking. It's gonna start to smell a little nutty, right? That's a weird segue from talking about fisherman's balls here, but you're gonna look at this. It's gonna be a little nutty. The reason it's getting a little nutty is because the milk solids, the butter, and the cannabis are cooking. You've been doing this on low. You're now making brown butter, right? Brown butter Alfredo sauce. Excellent, right? This is all going according to plan. Now, again, assuming you have all these ingredients, you're going to take 1 quart of heavy cream and pour it in there. This is not going to mix. It's actually going to separate. It's going to look kind of weird because your brown butter is going to try to overpower this. The heavy cream is very white, and you'll see some of the brown pieces of your cannabis that burnt a little bit. It's okay, don't worry about it. It's going to pop up, and you're going to be like, this is not what I want to do. I get it.